Can I hold it?
Yeah.
You just grab one, maybe the middle one. It's still pink in the middle. Do you want me to have it? It's still kind of pinkish.
Yeah.
I just don't want to get sick. I can't tell if it's just pink from the sauce or if it's... Maybe like 5 more minutes, you think? Or you think it's good?
7 minutes.
Okay. Just until this is done, I reckon.
So it does take 35 minutes.
Well, I think it would be ready, but just to be safe, I think. Just because you see how near the bone's still a bit.
And just a little bit.
Good.
It's good. I didn't do it.
I saw that out of the corner of my eye. See guys, always wiggling. Always. Look how foggy the
Because of Steve.
Yeah, because all the steam. Miss Know-it-all.
I'll be back. I'm going to surprise at my place.
Bet you it's something wiggle related.
But it is not.
I bet you it is.
No.
What do you guys reckon? Wiggle or not? I told you. Wiggle. Ultimate wiggle. Don't get that dirty, miss. Don't get it dirty.
Look.
Your wiggle shirt.
What are you doing? What are you talking about?
Isn't that the one you have to wear to work? When you do work, or not really?
Yeah. I'm at work.
Making these videos.
Ah.
So we open this to let some air out? And
Yeah. I'm just sitting down.
3 minutes till this is done, I think.
Okay.
So what are you going to do? Are you going to have some for lunch now? Or are you going to put it away? What do you want to do?
Anyway.
Can I have one?
Yeah. What? I'm not doing anything. You want to do anything?
Tell them about how I went crazy before. I want 2 minutes. Are you going to have one too and then put the rest away?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to get a plate for me? Do you want to use that plate or do you want me to use that plate?
You can use it, but I use it both.
Do you reckon this chicken's done yet, Rach?
Bake this bit.
I think this chicken's done too.
Bake it.
I'll put a piece here for you. Do you want me to put the piece in the bowl?
Yep. Patty cake. I'm going to try this chicken. It's not too spicy.
Have you tried?
No.
Try a piece. Too spicy. Cooked. Can we turn this off then? It's ready. So you're going to have this with rice, and then that lights off.
Oh, God. Hint of spice?
It's
No,
good.
that's fine.
Not too much. Good amount. Okay, this is going to be done soon. It's got 1 minute left.
I don't like it. We do this. Yeah. Wait, you're on a roll coaster ride.
Alright, so do you want me to start putting this in here? One for your dad, one for you?
Yeah.
So put some in here and some in there? Or those two? And then use this for the chicken wings maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. Have they got lids?
They have lids.
Thank you.
That's mine. The cucumber is mine.
Mm-hmm.
And one's for my dad.
I'll do half and half.
Mm-hmm. The sipping go to my dad.
Okay. Okay. I'll just put it in the fridge for now, and when I go home I'll take it out.
Yeah. Okay. Which one do you want?
This one. Thank you.
Give me my bowl. That's mine. Chicken goes in here. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Smash that like button. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and TikTok. Yeah.
Good.
Also like and subscribe to the Wiggles second YouTube channel. Smash that like button on us and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and Instagram.
Do you reckon it's still dripping?
Instagram. Also like and subscribe to the kids. Like and subscribe to the children's YouTube channel. Click that like button and turn on your post notifications to get Marky's videos and Marky's playlists. Also like and subscribe to From the Past YouTube channel. Click that like button and stay tuned for more videos and more playlists. Also, like and subscribe to my cooking and baking YouTube channel. Hit that like button and you go on a roller coaster ride.
Oh my goodness. Roller coaster ride crashed. And it's still recording.
Okay, I don't know what happened there. So like and subscribe to my cooking and baking YouTube channel. Hit that like button and
Very good.
and click the notification bell to get more videos and playlists. In the meantime, oh yeah, I'll be on the list for more surprises coming your way. There might be another YouTube channel coming very soon. You never know. There might be 3 more coming soon. We'll see. In the meantime, can you print your fingers and keep on wiggling. Peace.